Projected 50% increase in defense contracts across aerospace, cybersecurity, and intelligence sectors by Q1 2025. Date: February 2, 2025. Overview. The defense sector is undergoing a substantial transformation with a projected 50% increase in defense contracts across the aerospace, cybersecurity, and intelligence sectors by the first quarter of 2025. This shift is driven by escalating geopolitical tensions, rapid technological advancements, and significant workforce challenges. Key drivers of increased defense spending. 1. Geopolitical tensions. The landscape of global security has become increasingly volatile, with numerous conflicts involving 59 countries reported in 2023. The Stockholm International Peace Research Institute noted that defense spending surpassed $2.4 trillion, a clear indication of nations prioritizing military capabilities. These geopolitical drivers have led to a renewed focus on strengthening defense postures, particularly in areas like naval warfare, where smaller unmanned systems have demonstrated their effectiveness against traditional naval assets. 2. Technological advancements. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI), digital technologies, and advanced systems is revolutionizing operations in the defense sector. Companies are increasingly adopting AI to enhance maintenance and operational efficiencies. Notable trends include the rise of advanced air mobility (AAM) and unmanned systems, with significant commercial interest in electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft and autonomous vessels being highlighted. The defense sector recognizes the need for these advanced capabilities to maintain strategic advantages. 3. Workforce challenges. A critical skills shortage is plaguing the defense industry, with over 67% of manufacturers struggling to attract talent. This shortage is exacerbated by an aging workforce, with many experienced personnel reaching retirement age. To address this challenge, organizations are exploring innovative solutions, including leveraging AI to optimize maintenance tasks and enhance human-machine interactions. Additionally, investment in training programs and apprenticeships is expected to foster talent development. 4. Cybersecurity imperatives. As defense systems become increasingly digital, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. New compliance requirements such as the Cybersecurity Maturity Mode certification (CMMC) are set to impact defense contractors significantly by mid-2025. Ensuring supply chain integrity and enhancing cybersecurity measures are critical for maintaining operational effectiveness and protecting sensitive information. Projected timeline and trends. 2023. Global defense spending exceeds $2.4 trillion, driven by ongoing conflicts and modernization efforts. 2024, the aerospace and defense sectors witness a resurgence in air travel demand post-COVID, resulting in increased manufacturing activity. Mid-2025, implementation of CMMC compliance for defense contractors begins influencing procurement processes and practices. 2025, industry anticipates a 50% increase in defense contracts, with strategic spending focused on unmanned systems, rocket technologies, and AAM. Diverse insights from various sources. Deloitte Insights. Deloitte emphasizes the operationalization of technologies in the aerospace and defense industry. The report highlights the growing demand for aftermarket services, driven by the need for efficient maintenance and repair processes. Additionally, it identifies the role of AI and digital solutions in attracting and retaining talent, as well as enhancing supply chain visibility. IFS Perspectives. IFS focuses on the implications of Industry 5.0, where human oversight plays a central role in advanced manufacturing. The rise of uncrewed systems in naval warfare is a critical area of discussion, emphasizing the need for innovative approaches to combat challenges posed by larger vessels. IFS also underscores the significance of digitalization in meeting cybersecurity demands. Future challenges and opportunities. As the defense landscape evolves, companies must navigate several key challenges. Talent acquisition and retention. The defense industry must prioritize workforce development to address the skills gap. This includes investing in training programs, apprenticeships, and leveraging technologies like AI to optimize maintenance operations. Supply chain resilience. Companies will need to enhance supply chain visibility to mitigate risks associated with parts shortages and delivery delays. Digital technologies will play a crucial role in tracking materials and ensuring compliance throughout the supply chain. Cybersecurity compliance. Organizations must prioritize adherence to new compliance requirements such as CMMC to protect sensitive information and maintain competitive advantages. Conclusion. The projected 50% increase in defense contracts across aerospace, cybersecurity, and intelligence sectors by Q1 2025 marks a significant milestone in the evolution of the defense landscape. As geopolitical tensions intensify and technological advancements reshape operational needs, companies in the defense sector must adapt to these changes while addressing workforce challenges and cybersecurity imperatives. The integration of digital technologies, strategic investments, and a renewed focus on talent development will be critical in navigating the complexities of this dynamic environment. As the sector prepares for increased spending and contract activity, the emphasis on innovation and resilience will be paramount in ensuring future success. The projected 50% increase in defense contracts across the aerospace, cybersecurity, and intelligence sectors by Q1 2025 reveals several counterintuitive insights that challenge conventional thinking about defense spending and technological integration. 1. Geopolitical tensions leading to increased defense budgets. While geopolitical tensions are commonly viewed as an immediate catalyst for increased defense budgets, the extent of this influence is often underestimated. The report indicates that defense expenditures exceeded $2.4 trillion in 2023 due to ongoing conflicts in 59 countries, which marks a significant rise. This suggests that nations are not only responding to existing threats but also proactively preparing for potential future conflicts, indicating a paradigm shift from reactive to anticipatory defense spending. 2. Technological adoption. Despite workforce shortages, it is often assumed that a shortage of skilled workers would result in decreased operational efficiency and slower technological adoption. However, the defense industry is leveraging this very shortage to accelerate the integration of artificial intelligence (AI) and digital technologies. The narrative is counterintuitive because AI, traditionally viewed as a tool to replace human labor, is being seen as a solution to enhance human capabilities and streamline operations amidst a skills gap. For example, AI is being utilized to optimize maintenance schedules and improve resource allocation, which may allow existing personnel to manage more complex tasks efficiently. 3. Cybersecurity as a growth area amidst threats. Counterintuitively, the increasing threats associated with digital transformation in defense operations are leading to significant investments in cybersecurity rather than stifling innovation. The anticipated compliance requirements such as the Cybersecurity Maturity Model certification (CMMC) are expected to spur defense contractors to enhance their security protocols. This move towards strict compliance reflects a proactive stance towards potential vulnerabilities rather than a mere reaction to incidents. It suggests that organizations are recognizing the necessity of robust cybersecurity as a competitive advantage rather than a box-ticking exercise. For unmanned systems, redefining naval warfare, the effectiveness of smaller unmanned systems against larger vessels has challenged traditional assumptions about naval power dynamics. It is often posited that larger, more expensive military assets are inherently superior. However, the report highlights how smaller drones have successfully engaged and neutralized significant naval assets, as evidenced in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. This shift suggests that future naval strategies may prioritize cost-effective, flexible, and agile unmanned systems over traditional large vessel fleets, fundamentally altering the composition and strategy of naval forces. 5. Advanced air mobility AAM as a market disruptor. While AAM technologies such as electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft are anticipated to revolutionize urban transport, the counterintuitive aspect lies in their potential to be utilized for military operations as well. The assumption is that military applications would lag behind commercial ones. However, the report illustrates a convergence where both sectors are advancing in tandem. The military's interest in AAM not only addresses urban mobility challenges but also enhances logistical capabilities, indicating a multidimensional application of a technology once thought to be solely for civilian use. 6. Supply chain complexity driving digital transformation. Traditional views often see supply chain disruptions as setbacks that hinder progress. Yet in the context of aerospace and defense, these challenges are acting as catalysts for digital transformation. The complexity of supply chains has pushed companies to adopt digital solutions for greater visibility and efficiency. The assumption that such complexities would lead to paralysis instead reveals an industry that is increasingly agile, leveraging technology to navigate and optimize its operations. 7. Workforce development through digital technologies. The narrative surrounding workforce challenges typically suggests a grim outlook, with companies unable to fill positions leading to stagnation. However, the defense industry is turning this challenge into an opportunity by embracing digital technologies to enhance training and development. The rise of Industry 5.0 emphasizes the human-machine collaboration, suggesting that instead of merely replacing human workers, technology is being integrated to amplify human potential. This counters the prevailing narrative that technology is solely a replacement for human labor. In conclusion, the projected increase in defense contracts by Q1 2025 is reflective of a complex interplay of geopolitical, technological, and workforce dynamics. The counterintuitive insights drawn from this situation reveal an industry that is not merely reacting to external pressures but actively reshaping its future through strategic investments and innovations. The defense sector is evolving into a landscape where agility, proactive strategies, and technological integration are paramount, challenging many traditional notions about defense spending and operational capacities. The projected 50% increase in defense contracts across the aerospace, cybersecurity, and intelligence sectors by Q1 2025 represents a transformative moment in the global defense landscape. While many may focus on the overarching trends of geopolitical instability and technological advancements, there are several critical insights within the report that are likely to be overlooked but hold significant implications for the industry. 1. The skills shortage and AI integration. One of the most pressing issues highlighted in the report is the critical skills shortage facing the defense industry, with over 67% of manufacturers struggling to attract talent. This isn't merely a statistic, it speaks to a fundamental challenge that could impede operational efficiency and innovation in defense capabilities. The integration of AI is often discussed in terms of enhancing operational capabilities, but the report emphasizes its role in bridging this skills gap. Significance: the implementation of AI technologies to support maintenance and operational efficiency is crucial. For instance, AI can optimize maintenance schedules, analyze historical data for predictive maintenance, and even assist technicians in real time by providing troubleshooting suggestions. This advancement not only addresses immediate operational needs but also positions the industry to leverage existing human resources more effectively. The potential to enhance human-machine collaborations can elevate workforce productivity and operational reliability. This aspect of AI integration should be a focal point for companies looking to remain competitive. 2. Industry 5.0 and human-centric manufacturing. The report references the rise of Industry 5.0, which emphasizes human-centric manufacturing approaches. While many might view advanced manufacturing technologies as purely mechanistic, the shift towards a model that prioritizes human interaction is significant. This means the industry is not just automating processes but is also enhancing human roles through technology, particularly in training and execution. Significance: the focus on the human element in manufacturing processes can lead to more resilient and adaptable operations. By employing technologies such as extended reality XR for training, companies can accelerate the onboarding process and ensure that workers are better equipped to handle sophisticated systems. This approach not only mitigates the impact of the skills shortage but also fosters a culture of continuous learning and adaptation within organizations. As defense technologies evolve, the need for skilled personnel who can integrate and operate these systems will become increasingly vital. 3. The transformation of naval warfare. The report emphasizes the significant impact of unmanned systems on naval warfare, particularly how smaller, cheaper unmanned vessels are redefining naval strategies. This evolution is critical as it reflects a shift in military thinking where smaller autonomous systems can effectively counter larger traditional naval assets. Significance: the implications for defense spending and research are profound. As traditional vessels are rendered vulnerable, investment in unmanned technologies and naval drones will likely surge. This shift opens new avenues for defense contractors and necessitates a re-evaluation of naval procurement strategies. Companies that can innovate in this area, developing advanced unmanned systems capable of operating in complex environments, may find themselves at the forefront of the next wave of military capabilities. 4. Cybersecurity compliance and supply chain integrity. The report highlights the impending implementation of the Cybersecurity Maturity Model certification (CMMC), which will impact defense contractors significantly. While many may perceive compliance as a regulatory hurdle, it represents a fundamental shift in how the defense industry approaches cybersecurity. Significance: the focus on cybersecurity compliance is not just about adhering to regulations, it is about safeguarding national security interests. As the industry becomes more digitized, the implications of cybersecurity failures can be catastrophic, impacting not only individual companies but also national defense. Companies that proactively integrate robust cybersecurity measures and achieve compliance will not only protect themselves from potential threats but also gain a competitive advantage in securing contracts. This aspect of the report emphasizes the need for defense firms to prioritize cybersecurity as part of their operational strategies. 5. Strategic spending in emerging technologies. The report indicates a significant shift in defense spending towards technologies such as advanced air mobility, AAM rocketry, and unmanned systems. While these areas are commonly discussed, the strategic implications of this investment deserve closer scrutiny. Significance: the growing focus on AAM and unmanned systems reflects a broader trend toward modernization in military transport and logistics. This shift could redefine operational capabilities, enhancing rapid deployment and operational flexibility. Companies that position themselves as leaders in these emerging sectors may not only capture substantial market opportunities but also influence the future landscape of military operations. The strategic allocation of resources towards these technologies indicates an understanding that the future of defense will be heavily reliant on innovation and adaptability. 6. Supply chain visibility challenges. The complexity of the aerospace and defense supply chain with its numerous tiers of suppliers presents ongoing challenges that are often underestimated. Issues such as part shortages, counterfeit parts, and the need for enhanced visibility are critical yet frequently overlooked. Significance: as companies strive to enhance supply chain resilience, the focus on visibility and integrity becomes paramount. Investing in digital technologies to monitor and manage supply chain flows can mitigate risks associated with disruptions and ensure quality assurance. Companies that prioritize supply chain transparency will be better positioned to navigate future challenges and maintain operational continuity. This insight underscores the importance of comprehensive supply chain strategies in the context of global disruptions. Conclusion: the projected increase in defense contracts by 50% across the aerospace, cybersecurity, and intelligence sectors by Q1 2025 presents both challenges and opportunities. While many will focus on the overarching trends of geopolitical instability and technological advancements, the insights regarding workforce challenges, the integration of AI, the evolution of naval warfare, cybersecurity compliance, strategic spending, and supply chain visibility are equally critical. Addressing these aspects can enable companies to not only adapt to the evolving landscape but also to thrive in a rapidly changing defense environment. By recognizing and acting upon these often overlooked elements, defense organizations can position themselves for success in an increasingly complex and competitive industry. 1. Geopolitical drivers of defense spending. The projected 50% increase in defense contracts is significantly influenced by escalating geopolitical tensions. As highlighted by Deloitte and IFS, defense expenditures have surged with conflicts involving numerous countries, driving nations to bolster their military capabilities. In 2023, global defense spending exceeded $2.4 trillion, reflecting a response to ongoing conflicts and a shift in national security priorities. This trend underscores the importance of understanding geopolitical dynamics and their direct impact on defense budgets and investment strategies in the aerospace, cybersecurity, and intelligence sectors. 2. Technological advancements and AI integration. Technological innovation, particularly in artificial intelligence, AI is playing a crucial role in transforming the defense landscape. The adoption of AI for maintenance, operational efficiency, and advanced systems like unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) is becoming increasingly prevalent. Companies are leveraging AI to optimize resource allocation, enhance predictive maintenance, and improve overall operational efficiency. This integration of digital technologies not only addresses current workforce challenges but also positions companies to respond quickly to evolving defense needs. The emphasis on AI and digital transformation indicates a paradigm shift in how defense operations will be conducted, highlighting the necessity for organizations to invest in technology to remain competitive. 3. Workforce challenges and talent acquisition. The defense industry is grappling with a significant skills shortage, which is further exacerbated by an aging workforce. Reports indicate that over 67% of manufacturers are struggling to attract necessary talent. Companies are adopting innovative strategies to bridge this gap, including leveraging AI to enhance human-machine interactions and employing extended reality for training and skill development. As the demand for skilled personnel rises, organizations must implement effective talent acquisition and retention strategies, focusing on educational partnerships and workforce development initiatives to ensure a continuous supply of skilled workers. This challenge emphasizes the critical need for strategic human resource planning in the context of technological integration and industry growth. For cybersecurity and compliance requirements, with the increasing digitization of defense operations, cybersecurity has emerged as a paramount concern. The implementation of compliance frameworks such as the Cybersecurity Maturity Model certification (CMMC) is expected to reshape how defense contractors operate, ensuring robust cybersecurity measures are in place. The rising threat of cyber attacks, particularly targeting sensitive defense information, necessitates a proactive approach to cybersecurity, including investment in secure technologies and infrastructure. Organizations must align with compliance requirements while simultaneously enhancing their cybersecurity posture to safeguard against potential threats. This focus on cybersecurity highlights the interconnectedness of digital transformation and national security, making it imperative for defense contractors to prioritize both compliance and innovation in their strategies. 1. The Cold War arms race, 1947 to 1991. The Cold War was characterized by an intense arms race primarily between the United States and the Soviet Union, with significant increases in defense spending affecting various sectors including aerospace and nuclear capabilities. The geopolitical tensions of the era resulted in both nations investing heavily in advanced technologies including missile systems, aircraft, and nuclear arsenals. The U.S. defense budget grew substantially during this period, particularly during events like the Korean War and the Vietnam War, reflecting the urgency to enhance military capabilities in response to perceived threats. 2. The post 9/11 defense spending surge 2001 to 2010. Following the September 11 attacks, the U.S. government significantly increased its defense budget to address new security concerns. The global war on terrorism led to substantial investments in various sectors, particularly in cybersecurity, intelligence, and advanced military technologies. The establishment of the Department of Homeland Security and the implementation of the USA Patriot Act underscored the increased focus on intelligence and security, resulting in a boom in defense contracts for companies involved in aerospace, cybersecurity, and intelligence services. 3. The Space Race 1957 to 1975. The space race, epitomized by the competition between the United States and the Soviet Union to achieve significant milestones in space exploration, led to increased government contracts and spending in aerospace technology. Initiated by the launch of Sputnik in 1957, this period saw massive investments in aerospace engineering and technology development, including the Apollo program, which aimed to land humans on the moon. The geopolitical rivalry fueled advancements in rocket technology, satellite development, and related military applications, culminating in a sustained increase in contracts within the aerospace sector throughout the 1960s and early 1970s. The projected 50% increase in defense contracts across the aerospace, cybersecurity, and intelligence sectors by Q1 2025 marks a pivotal moment shaped by various converging factors, including heightened geopolitical tensions, rapid technological advancements, and critical workforce challenges. Here's a detailed look into the future outlook for these sectors. Geopolitical influences. Geopolitical tensions remain a significant catalyst for increased defense spending. With more than 59 countries engaged in various conflicts, global defense expenditures surged to over $2.4 trillion in 2023. This trend is expected to continue as nations prioritize military readiness and technological superiority. The ongoing conflict dynamics will likely push countries to invest heavily in advanced weaponry, cyber capabilities, and intelligence operations to bolster national security. Technological advancements. The integration of cutting-edge technologies, particularly artificial intelligence (AI), is transforming the defense landscape. By 2025, AI will play an even more crucial role in enhancing operational efficiencies, predictive maintenance, and decision-making processes. Companies will increasingly leverage AI for supply chain optimization and maintenance operations, enabling them to do more with less manpower amidst a critical skills shortage. The rise of autonomous systems such as drones and unmanned vehicles will also reshape combat and operational strategies. Advanced Air Mobility (AAM). The AAM sector, particularly focusing on electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, is poised for significant growth. With a strong push towards urban air mobility, companies are expected to achieve operational readiness by 2025. The potential for AAM to transform urban transport and logistics is substantial, provided that regulatory frameworks evolve to support new flight operations. Workforce challenges. A pervasive skills shortage in the defense sector continues to challenge operational capabilities. Companies are projected to enhance their talent acquisition strategies by adopting digital tools and fostering public-private partnerships to build a sustainable talent pipeline. In 2025, organizations will likely emphasize apprenticeships and training programs that leverage advanced technologies such as extended reality (XR) to accelerate employee onboarding and skills development. Cybersecurity imperatives. As defense operations become increasingly digitized, cybersecurity will be a top priority. The introduction of the Cybersecurity Maturity Model certification (CMMC) by mid-2025 will impose stringent compliance requirements on defense contractors, compelling organizations to invest in robust cybersecurity frameworks. Companies will need to adopt cloud-based solutions and enhance their digital defenses against potential threats to safeguard sensitive information and intellectual property. Key predictions for 2025. 1. Increased defense spending. The overall defense budgets will rise, with significant allocations towards unmanned systems, advanced weaponry, and cyber capabilities. Governments will prioritize technologies that enhance operational readiness and combat effectiveness. 2. Growth of AI and automation. AI will streamline maintenance and operational processes, reduce downtime, and optimize resource allocation across defense sectors. Automation of various tasks will help mitigate workforce shortages and enhance operational efficiencies. 3. Expansion of unmanned systems. The use of drones and unmanned vessels will grow, transforming naval warfare and ground operations. The development of autonomous systems will lead to the creation of new operational strategies, emphasizing smaller, agile platforms capable of complex missions. 4. AAM operationalization. Advanced air mobility solutions will likely become operational in select urban environments, influenced by the increasing demand for efficient transportation solutions. Partnerships among manufacturers, infrastructure developers, and regulatory agencies will be critical for success. 5. Cybersecurity compliance and resilience. Organizations will prioritize investments in cybersecurity to meet compliance standards and protect against evolving threats. The integration of robust cybersecurity measures will be essential for maintaining supply chain integrity and safeguarding defense systems. Conclusion. The defense landscape is on the cusp of transformation, with the projected 50% increase in contracts across aerospace, cybersecurity, and intelligence sectors by 2025 serving as a crucial turning point. As geopolitical tensions rise, technological advancements accelerate, and workforce challenges persist, the sector must adapt to these dynamics through strategic investments, innovative technologies, and robust talent management. The ability to navigate these changes will define the future of defense operations and capabilities in the coming years.